Why is Access Garage Doors #1 in Chattanooga? Well, it's because of a team of individuals who are #1 at what we do.
And I am the one who will be assisting you in selecting the perfect products for your home or business.
And I'm the one who will meet with you on site to finalize the details before your purchase.
I'm the one who ensures that all your product is here within our committed lead time.
And I'm the one who installs your product with the highest quality in craftsmanship and customer service.
I am the one with almost a decade of technical experience. I ensure the access standard is done every single day.
And every single one of us makes Access Garage Doors #1. Garage doors, it's what we do.